How to start trusting people again. Even if you find it hard to trust people, some strategies may help you learn how to form better relationships and become more trusting in different situations. Start small. Look for small ways to trust people. Trust is always a matter of degree. You might trust some people with some things but not with others. A good way to become more trusting is to push yourself to trust other people in small doses until you can trust something more significant. Once someone proves themselves capable of earning your trust when it comes to the small stuff, you might find yourself more comfortable depending on them even more. Stay positive. Try to be optimistic about others. Start with the belief that there are good people out there. Approaching social situations with an open mind and optimistic mindset may help you feel less distrustful of people in general. Trust carefully. If you trust too easily, you may find yourself dealing with disappointment. So start by learning to trust people to the degree that the situation calls for it. In many cases, this might involve a more superficial trust based on a mutually agreed upon set of expectations. You trust your mechanic to fix your car, and they trust you to pay them for the work they have done. In other cases, you may find that some people have proven themselves dependable, honest, and worthy of your trust. Using caution and varying your level of trust depending on the closeness of the relationship is good practice. Talk to a therapist. If your lack of trust in people affects your ability to function normally or is causing distress, you should consider talking to a mental health professional. Several different therapy approaches can help you work on underlying negative thoughts that might be affecting your ability to trust. A therapist can also help you practice social situations and develop new coping skills that may be helpful when it comes to learning how to trust people. Also, the therapeutic relationship with your therapist can also be an excellent opportunity to learn and practice trusting another person. A word from Verywell. Feeling like you don't trust people can hurt your ability to form relationships. Get help when you need it, and participate fully in your community. While it is normal for your trust levels to vary depending on your social experiences, a significant lack of trust might be a sign of a more serious problem. If trust issues are causing problems in your life, talk to a therapist about taking steps to begin relying on people more. Rebuilding your trust in people may take time. It also requires a certain degree of vulnerability. But learning to trust can make it easier to connect with others, form strong relationships, and create a solid social support system.